If you want to stop XAI from accessing your public data on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go and what to turn off. This is a simple privacy change, but it's important if you want more control over how your public information is used across the platform. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the additional menu options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account, security, and privacy controls. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click Privacy and Safety. Now, you'll see the section that manages how your data is handled on the platform. Next, click Grok and Third-Party Collaborators. This is the area connected to XAI and other approved data use settings. Inside this menu, look for the first option that says Allow your public data. You'll want to toggle this off. As soon as you turn that setting off, you stop allowing your public data to be used in that way. That's it. The change is quick, and once it's disabled, your public data won't be shared through that option anymore. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.